Hello, I'll be going over NASA PubSpace. So anything from NASA or just anything science related. So the homepage will give you a little overview of what to do, well, what they have. And on the right hand side, excuse me, sorry. Oh, gas run timing. I'll tell you about more about NASA and PMC, PubMed Central. So, online archive of journal literature for NASA. In the search bar, we will type in the opportunity, or at least just opportunity. And of course, we get a COVID warning. Not a surprise there because, well, that is what that is at the moment. So as you can see, we'll bring up articles, obviously. Anyways, this is just over who all contributed to writing this article, so quite a bit of people. Now, some of these will be longer than others, so it doesn't really give you a description of what you're wanting to read. It just tells you who all contributed to the article. Now, even though I put in opportunity, it's gonna give me a variety of things because it's so vague of what I typed in. Underneath the authors, editors, a little manuscript, it'll have article, pub reader, PDF, citation. So either bring up the article, show you right here. Similar articles on the right hand side, cited links, recent activities, which is just what you typed in and what you clicked on. So for the most part, it's gonna give an abstract, see other articles in PMC that cite the published article. So a lot of them are going to be like cross-referencing other articles. And give you an introduction. So this one, as you can see, is quite long, which is not too much of a surprise coming from NASA. We can go back. On the left, articles attributed, tributes, text availability, research funder. To like people who funded researches. Let's actually type in rover. There we go. Now it's showing more of what I was wanting. So it significantly showed up fewer results. But still gonna have mostly people who contributed writing and editing the article. Let's see, pub reader. Now this one is going to be a bit more book-like, or trifold really. So this one still fairly big, 50 pages worth, as it shows in the bottom left corner. They show you pictures that you can hover over, figures. So it brings up tables, diagrams, and the such. See, you have settings, up with Pub Reader, switch to classic view, about Pub Reader, find, and article navigation. So you go there and like quickly go to that section of the article if you don't click on one of these from the table of contents. Let's look at the PDF. And it'll bring it up here in a little bit more organized article with the figures, diagrams throughout the article, instead of the other one where you can click on to see the pictures. That should be pretty much it. Short, simple, not much. Type in what you want. Bring up the articles. You can either look at it the article form, pub reader, or the PDF. Cite it. And that'll be all.